Namaste guys, welcome to another session of the Hindu analysis, connecting the current affair with the static part. So for the PDF and detailed explanation, join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. So starting with the first news that we can see is India-US committing to linking economies across sectors. So what you have to study in this article is talking about the market taxes, like India, market access of the US for the Indian products. So you can read about the agricultural and non-agricultural goods classification that has been under WTO norms and also under the GSP, Generalized System of Preferences. So this article also talks about the GSP that we had talked yesterday, and also about IT workers, how India and US can restart talks on the agreement to help professionals in both countries move statutorily social security contribution back home, like given in the article itself. And with this, you can also refer the securing pharmaceutical manufacturing base with the allies. Like when you talk about the active pharmaceutical ingredients, we can see that China is the largest provider of the APIs, and how SCRI, the Supply Chain Resilient Initiative, can help to shift the manufacturing base of the APIs. So you can also refer to the BECA, LEMUA, and COMCASA, all the agreement that has been signed between India and USA. And you can write down in the comment section that which agreement was signed earlier. You can also refer to the GSP also. So next news was about crypto bill seeks to ban private players. So this is very important article. All the things are not given, right? What I am listing here is the concept of cryptocurrency, what you have to study, the concept of cryptocurrency, how it is working on the blockchain, how it is distributed ledger, and the decentralization process of decentralization, concept of decentralization. And also you have to study the cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill 2021 that this article is talking about. And you have also to study the central bank digital currency, the concept of central bank digital currency, and how different countries are promoting this idea. Like China has a currency named digital currency electronic payment, Tunisia has a e-dinar system, Ecuador has Sistema, Venezuela has the Petro, Sweden has e-krona. And you can also refer the Subhash Chandra Garg committee, which recommends to ban the private cryptocurrency. And why he has recommended to ban the private cryptocurrencies, you can refer the causes that is important for mains, and Subhash Chandra Garg committee especially is important for prelims point of view. You can also see Libra on the cryptocurrency launched by Facebook, and which is backed by government securities, unlike Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not backed by government securities. And you can refer ABER. What is ABER? The pilot digital currency of Saudi Arabia and UAE. And you can write down in comment section about Toman, TOMAN, the currency launched by Iran. Is it a cryptocurrency or their normal currency which has been launched by Iran? You can write down in the comment section. And you can also see the first country to legalize recognize the Bitcoin as a legal tender. Although I will tell you the country's name, it is El Salvador. This is the first country to recognize the Bitcoin as a legal tender. So next news was regarding Supreme Court rejects the Trinamool plea to delay Tripura civic poll. So another politically motivated article, not important. You you can see the again Tripura is coming in news, so you can refer the Bru Riang refugee crisis and the new settlement scheme that has been initiated in I think January or February month of this year between government of Tripura, government of Mizoram, and Indian government. And you can also study about the Feni River Bridge and why it is called the Matri Setu Bridge between India and Bangladesh. So this was the from page number 1. Coming on to the page number 2. Page number 2, there was an article, favorable wind help improve AQI. So you can read about the AQI and those 8 pollutants that are covered under this, and you can also refer the NAAQS that covered 12 pollutant. And you can write down in the comment section that whether CO2, that carbon dioxide, is covered under AQI or NAAQS or not. And you can also refer graded action response plan for Delhi NCR, especially for Delhi NCR. And you can also refer the role of geography in deciding the air quality of Delhi, that how during winter season the wind shifted its direction, and westward winds start blowing, which carry the smoke of the paralis that has been burnt in around Haryana and Punjab. It carries the smoke to the Delhi. So you have to study the role of geography as well. So coming on to the next news about, it was about SDMC budget proposes a hike in property tax. Like we can see the civic body looting the light says up. That is not important. What is important that you can refer the 73rd and 74th amendment and issues with the third tier government regarding their autonomy, especially in the tax collection. Like today also, the third tier government are, it is totally dependent on the state government for their finances. And you can also refer the State Finance Commission that was also added in the constitution by the 73rd constitutional amendment back in 1992 or 1993. You can refer that. And what are the issues that are being raised regarding the proper functioning of the third tier government and duplication of efforts. Like we see that certain jobs of the third tier government is done by the state government itself, and clash of areas that has been reported. So coming on to the next page number 3 has not any important article. Page number 4 also doesn't have any important article. Page number 5 had an important article, like Odisha villagers says they will give up ganja farming if MSP is guaranteed. So what you have to study, that you can refer all about MSP again, that has been seen in news in recent times, and also refer the what is Golden Crescent. The countries came in Golden Crescent like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, and Golden Triangle. The countries came in the Golden Triangle, um, which is India's eastward countries that are famous for opium production. So you can study these topics also. And there's another important news about Veer Shaiva Mahasabha calls for Ghar Vapsi. So what you can study that the Baswana, back in 11th or 12th or 13th century around, he has formed the Lingayat community from the Hinduism itself, from the Sanatan or Hinduism itself. And you can also refer the Bhakti movement in medieval India, that how Bhakti movement shaped the uh, India's medieval history, especially with respect to the uh, Nirguna and Sagun Bhakti. And in Sagun Bhakti, there are two different sects like Ram Margi, Krishna Margi. You can write down in comment section one example from each, like who is Ram Margi, what is Krishna Margi. So, and also about anti-conversion bill. This article also talks about anti-conversion bill. So you can refer, can Indian government bring this law, like anti-conversion law, or this comes under a state subject. So that's all from this page. Coming on to the page number 6, like this editorial, breaking the ice. It is talking about India-US trade. You can refer statistics about them. Questions can be asked from the trend evaluation. And also there is this article, like overvalued unicorns. Like you can refer the complete article as well, and rise of unicorns in India and its data, and what are its concern. That recently we have seen the great fall in the Paytm IPO, that great fall in stock prices. So what are the challenges that unicorns faces in India? And you can also refer the World Bank's ease of doing business index, and what are its indicators. So that was um, another important article is Coups and West Asia's nascent democracy. Like we have seen military coup in Sudan recently. So you can refer the how this article is related to the Arab Spring that was started from Tunisia in 2011. So you can refer how these coups are killing the nascent democracy that are being in the process of formation. So that you can see, or you can also refer the map location, especially from the map location point of view. It is an important one. Sudan. Another article on page number 7 is Road to Himalayan Blender. Like this article talks about the environmental concerns, environmental issues in Char Dham project, and also the defense ministry has submitted certain documents in the Supreme Court regarding the importance of this project, how this project is important for the India's defense. So you can refer this article. like environmental concerns versus the defense of India's border. And since this article title is Himalayan blunder, you can also refer which movement or which revolt or movement did Mahatma Gandhi called as Himalayan blunder. So that was Rowlatt Satyagrah. So you can refer in the history that Rowlatt Satyagrah and Rowlatt Act as well. So coming on to the page number 8. So DSE approves the AK-203 deal with Russia. So like you have seen that India and Russia are making a joint venture for the manufacturing of AK-203 in the UP. So you can also study the joint venture of the BrahMos that India and Russia are currently manufacturing. And with respect to BrahMos, you can refer MTCR, Missile Technology Control Regime, under which India was not its part earlier. So that's why the BrahMos 1 had a range of only around 290 kilometers. But since 2018, India has become a part of MTCR, Missile Technology Control Regime. So India and Russia are working on to improve the or increase the range of the BrahMos missile. So you can refer that BrahMos as well, and you can write down in comment section that from which river's name this BrahMos name has been derived. Like in India, it is Brahmaputra, and Russia's which river is involved in deriving this name BrahMos. So coming on to the next news, um, on page number 8 itself, yeah, for more concession for vehicle scrapping likely. Sales will go up by 12 to 13%, says Gadkari. So what you can refer that vehicle scrappage policy that has been recently brought, and when you're studying the vehicle scrappage policy, you can also refer the ship scrapping, like Hong Kong Convention, especially Hong Kong Convention on the ship scrapping. You can refer Hong Kong Convention as well. So coming on to the page number 9, there was not important article on page number 9. Page number 10, we have seen that Myanmar stint. So what you have to study that India and Myanmar's military operation that has been carried on the Indian Myanmar border to to neutralize the terrorist on the Indian Myanmar border. You can refer Operation Sunrise, and you can write down in comment section that how in how many phases Operation Sunrise has been recently Operation Sunrise has been done. So coming on to the next news, Bharat Gaurav scheme eyes railway tourism. So you can refer the theme-based tourist circuit train. Right, recently, the Ramayan circuit train has been launched. So you can refer that article with respect to that also. And you can also suggest certain prepare a mains question like how these theme-based tourist circuit train will help us to revive our culture and increase the tourism, and indirectly how it will contribute our economic growth as well. So there is another article on the POXO. It is coming in news every day almost. So you can read the POXO Act again as well. So coming on to the page number 11, this page is about the world politics. If you do not read all the articles, but you can at least read the headlines as I say continuously. So first article is about Manila accusing Beijing of harassment. So you can refer that article, and also about the South China Sea and the disputed islands in the South China Sea that we have seen yesterday also. And you in Manila, International Rice Research Institute is also located, so you can refer that as well. So the second article, US warship transit Taiwan Strait after Biden-Xi summit. So that is news in transition with respect to international relation. What you can refer is the location of the Taiwan Strait and the seas that which is connected by the Taiwan Strait. Another important news is US to release 50 million barrel of oil to ease the soaring prices. And India, along with China, Japan, UK also joined the US move to release the oil from the strategic oil reserve to counter the rising fuel prices. So you can also refer the strategic petroleum reserves in India as well. So read all the headlines at least. Like VMC, Apple's use Israeli spyware maker NSO. So this is all about Pegasus, and UN raises $600 million for Afghanistan aid. Like we have seen that certain videos are coming from the Afghanistan, which human right violation is happening. Like many people are hungry and dying because of lack of food. So you can refer that as well with respect to Afghanistan crisis. So on page number 12, there's an important article like India to release 5 million barrel. We have already talked about that in the previous page. So you can refer this as well. And Indian bonds, rupee weaken on Powell's new term at Fed. So you can study how you can connect in economy static, but that how the federal bank of the USA uh, controls these things, like when they rise their interest rate, what happens to the economy of the world, and what when they decrease their interest rate, what happens. Then you can refer this as well, and you can also refer the masala bond and all other local currency denominated bonds like dim sum bond or the samurai bond. You can refer these as well. So another important article was NABFID. NABFID is all about the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. So recently in this year's budget, it was announced to make DFIs, the Development Finance Institution. So NABFID is nothing but a development finance institution. You can refer development finance institutions as well. So this article, like state gets tax devolution. So you can read about the Finance Commission, Article 280, how Finance Commission is appointed by President, and this is a constitutional body. And you can read about the 15th Finance Commission, and you can write down in the comment section who is heading the 15th Finance Commission, and also the formulas to share the revenue. So coming on to the page text and context, what is important to read is a closer look at the draft data protection bill. This is very important article. You can refer this article completely. And another article was on MSP, the factoids versus the facts. So you can refer this article as well. You can get incisive data to write down in the examination as well as in the interview section. So that's all from today's newspaper. I hope you like our content. If you like our content, please like the video and share it with the friends. And for the PDF of this analysis, you can join our Telegram channel. Thank you.